This scope runs right around $270, and it's the third scope going into my upcoming budget Scope Showdown. But first, let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
All right, let's open her up here. DiscoveryOpt does generally a good job of packaging. Spec card, Allen key, cleaning cloth, instruction manual, and of course the checklist that they give you from DiscoveryOpt so that you can be sure that everything has been QC'd. Next thing we have is the scope itself. We'll just set that right there. It also comes with a sunshade, and that's everything that's in the box.
Who's in the box?
Now, taking a closer look at this scope itself, this is the DiscoveryOpt LHD 8-32x56. So this one actually gives you a little bit more magnification on the top end with that 8-32 power range. It's also a first focal plane with a 34mm tube, an illuminated reticle, and a zero-stop turret. It does not use ED glass, so that's definitely going to be interesting out on the range. First impressions, picking it up, feels solid, good in the hand, feels pretty well built. Illumination ring, a little stiff like normal. Turret's very tactile, audible. Illumination works. The parallax knob is a nice medium smooth. It's not too tight. I like that a lot. So, overall, it seems really well put together. But then again, the real test is going to be when we get this thing out on the range and see how clear it really is at distance. I'm going to be doing a full review on this scope soon, and then I'm going to be comparing 3 of these scopes side by side in the Budget Scope Showdown. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss that one. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Boom.